Have you ever met someone who is always in the right place at the right time? They win at everything, they get nice opportunities, and life just seems to like them. But what if I told you that luck is not just random, and you can actually increase the luck you have in your life by implementing simple solutions and strategies, which are the same that games use to keep you engaged. Scientists have studied lucky and unlucky people for years. And they figured out that lucky people just create more chances for luck to happen. So they try new things, meet new people, and don't let setbacks define them. So the more you get out there, the more chances you have to get lucky moments. If you have ever played a game where you have to open boxes or try to hit the jackpot, maybe you have tried the excitement of luck. But here's the thing, that's not luck, it's just design. Because game developers use variable rewards, so random wins to keep you engaged, which is the same trick and strategy used in casinos. Our brain loves patterns, so when we win, we just believe we're getting luckier, even if it's just random. There is something called the hot hand fallacy, where we believe that luck comes in streaks. But randomness does not care about the past. So instead of waiting for the streak, just take consistent actions. Because luck is not just a magical force. It is about increasing your chances to win. And here's a simple way to do it. Be clear with your goals. Because when you clearly define what you want to achieve, your brain will just notice more opportunities that you would just ignore otherwise. So it's like when you want to buy a new car and suddenly you see it everywhere. But being clear with your goals is not just about noticing more opportunities, it also helps you make better decisions. Because lucky people don't just come across great fortune, they place themselves in the right place at the right time where luck is more likely to happen. So if you do that and be more clear, you will just notice things you would just miss otherwise. Now, speaking of perception, have you ever thought that someone else is naturally more lucky than you? Well, that's the confirmation bias at work. So if you think, I'm an unlucky person, you will just start noticing all the moments you got unlucky or you did mistakes or you failed. But by changing and shifting this self-perception, you will just start noticing luck moments everywhere. And this is not just about motivation and mindset. It is actually about rewiring your brain. Studies have shown that repeating words and thoughts will actually change the neural pathways. So if you think and say, I'm unlucky, well, you will just reinforce this belief. But if on the other side you will just say, I'm a lucky person, well, in that case your brain will adapt, change, and find opportunities to strengthen this thinking and this belief. By creating small daily wins, you will train your brain to notice positive aspects. So celebrate achievements and results, and you will feel luckier. And whatever is your goal, maybe starting a business or becoming healthier, set rewards along the way. Because the more you improve, the more you will be able to capitalize on opportunities when they arrive. Because luck is not only about what happened, but also about how ready you are to take advantage of it. And lucky people also embrace unpredictability, because things don't always happen according to the plan. So say yes to unexpected events, and treat setbacks as part of the game, not just as game overs. Now, let's talk about bad luck. Who do you think is happier between bronze medalists and silver medalists? Well, studies have shown that people getting third are generally more happy, because they think, if I've done a little bit worse, I would have nothing. While people getting second would think, if I've done a little bit better, I would have gold. Luck is often a matter of perspective. So you could see a setback as just a proof of bad luck, or just be grateful that it didn't get worse. And here's another secret to increase your luck. It is very important the people you get surrounded with. Because lucky people talk more and get surrounded with different and new networks all the time. If you get surrounded with negative and silent people, all the doors will be closed. However, on the other hand, if you get surrounded with happy and extroverted and action-oriented people, you will just get more opportunities along the way. And this applies to every area of life: relationships, career, personal growth. Because the more you engage, the more random luck seems to happen. But it's not random, it is the result of being in motion, visible and open to opportunities. So luck is not about chance, it is about creating more chances. And if you change your perspective and mindset, soon you will be the person that others will see as the lucky one. And if you enjoyed this video, well, consider subscribing and see you next time.